Today on COC, I'm going to show you a battery test that you may not know about. So, if your vehicle sits for a couple days and your battery seems a little weak, this should be the first test you should do. So, it doesn't matter which one you choose, but take one of your leads and put it on the battery terminal. And you take your other one, you put it on the battery, and ideally you don't want any voltage here. We're going to put it on several spots throughout the battery. And as you can see, we're getting anywhere from 5 to 6 volts of leakage. So, as you see there, we did not get very good news. So we're going to clean the battery off and see if we can change that. And what I'm using here is just soapy water. Let's see here. Ooh. Blue junk on here. Got some blue junk off of there. Yuck. All right. All right. Pretty gross. So make sure after you've cleaned your battery off, you dry it really well because water is a really good conductor. So I'm making sure my battery is extra dry right now. So, our battery is clean and dry, so let's try this again. So, I think we're good. So, we quickly showed you the process there. However, ideally, you would want to take the entire battery out and clean the entire battery in the same manner. If you found this video to be helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, bye!